Welcome to Gearstiger Precision, a close-up shot of the massive gears coming together. Have you ever wondered how a gear reducer is put together inside? Powerful industrial machines? Let's break it down step by step. The main shaft with the large gear appears, and it all begins with the main shaft locked tightly into place, carrying the heavy-duty gear that drives the entire system. Bevel gears are added into position. Then, the smaller gears slide in, carefully aligned to connect motion and spread the torque evenly across the mechanism. The whole gear set starts rotating. Now the magic happens. This reducer transforms high speed into unstoppable industrial power. Final shot of the closed gearbox with a dramatic highlight. This is just the animated version.